What if I told you there was a skill you could have as a drummer that requires zero effort?
What?
You don't have to learn anything new, but you would sound incredibly awesome on the drums. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So, I recently watched a video from Zach Grooves. Zach Grooves is a genius. If you've not seen his videos, you're sleeping. Wake up, you're sleeping. He was showcasing drummers from his Discord group on his channel, and he started playing a video of a drummer. This drummer was playing, he was smashing.
Yeah.
But I kept waiting for something else to happen, but he was playing the same thing. And he kept playing the same thing. At least give me something, a drum fill, a hit, a movement, but it never came.
Come on, son.
Let's say you have a drum beat with no fills. Then you do this. It's something different. Something happens. Same thing with jazz. A snare hit, a single snare hit can be literally a whole drum fill in jazz. Yo, bruh. Yo. Did you hear that drum fill that he played? Yeah. That was nice, man. That was nice. I think we should play it again. But what do you do when you want to make more of a statement? Simple. Just add space. Let's take a picture of a couple of trees, right? Now look at the picture again. What do you notice first? The red apple, right? Adding space is like that. Where you would need to play a drum fill, you just don't. But why would you want to do that? In this crazy world of drumming, where people do things like this, you can't possibly go faster or play much better without a lot of time, effort, practice to get to that level. But you can still sound good at this level. So if everyone is doing this, then once in a while, you do this. And people will be like, whoa, what was that? That was nice. But you didn't do anything extra. But what if you're OP and you want something that's challenging? Because that's too easy for you. Imagine you have a beat. With this beat, the hi-hat will be playing this, and the snare would be playing this, and the kick will be playing this. To add intrigue and to make your playing a little bit more unique, you can start playing like this. Then drop out the kick. Then drop out the snare drum. Then bring it back. Now tell me that was not delicious. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. All your drumsticks will explode. So check out my website, jaystiqs.com, for getting all sorts of tracks. These tracks do not have drums. You can practice all your drum ideas on it, and it will be cool. Also, check out my app, the Drum Chops Builder app. It's amazing. It helps you to save your drum ideas on your phone, wherever you are. So when you get back home, you can practice it on your drum. Check it out. There's a download link in the description. So you can apply all these ideas in the form of a drum fill or a drum solo. But then you would need a method to bring everything together. Check out this video. This video shows how to do that. It's very good. You should check it out. It looks like I'm sleepy, but I'm not. I'm not sleepy.